People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now, quite a few people have been emailing me asking or telling me that they heard that next week thousands of Jamaicans will be deported back to Jamaica. Some people are saying them here 10,000, and they're saying Donald Trump stated this, so it's definitely going to happen. People, I thought you were all used to Donald Trump by now. This is what's happening. The day before he made that speech, or the day after he made that speech, Donald Trump announced he was running for re-election. So when he came out and said millions of illegal immigrants will be deported out of the United States, you have to understand, that's just a booster. That's just a booster to his supporters, because remember, immigration was one of the things that got Donald Trump elected. So when he says that one day before he announces he's running for re-election, don't take it too seriously, people. Think about it for a second. Next week, he said next week millions of people will be deported. The logistics of that is absolutely impossible. First of all, the operation you need to round up 1 million people and then get them out of the country in a week, it's not going to happen. This is just politics. Now, regarding the Jamaicans, the thousands and the tens of thousands, and I've seen these videos on YouTube. People, this is fake news. This is just people trying to scare you to get you to watch their stuff. Okay, next week, the following week, after next week done, I'm going to come back the following week, and then we're going to see where these thousands of people are. That's not how deportations work, people. There will not be no 10,000 Jamaicans getting deported next week. I can bet you my channel that won't happen. As a matter of fact, if 10,000 Jamaicans get deported next week, if the number is even anywhere near that figure, I'm stopped making videos for at least a month. That's how confident I am that is just smoke and mirrors. If anywhere near 10,000 Jamaicans get deported next week, Politics Watch channel will not be uploading for 1 month. People, that simply won't happen. That's fake news. That's just Trump telling his supporters what they want to hear. And let me tell you something. If you've been in America all this time and gone through 4 years of Trump and you still don't sort out yourself, you deserve to be deported. Sorry. If you've been sitting in America all this time knowing who the president is, and you make ICE come catch you and deport you, you deserve to come back a yard. But here's the problem with deportees now. A lot of deportees, when they come back to Jamaica, they bring crime with them, because they learn a lot of new things abroad. They learn a lot of new strategies and things that the local 87 Octanes don't know. Right? Because foreign 87 Octanes is far more dangerous than local 87 Octanes, you know. Because foreign 87 Octanes, they get the knowledge and the skills and the expertise. And when they come back and bring that back to Jamaica, trust me, it's a problem. So, understand, this is just scaremongering. This is just a politician who understands his fan base, understands his supporters, and understands what they want to hear. If there was such an operation that was going to gather up 10,000 Jamaicans, do you think they would announce it beforehand? You think they would give you warning that they're coming? That's not how the United States work, people. That's how Trump works, but that's not how the United States works. That's not how ICE works. So anyway, jump in the comment section. All the listeners who are in the United States right now, you people know how Trump works. You know his style. What do you think about this? Do you believe that next week we're going to see 10,000 Jamaicans, over 10,000 Jamaicans deported back to the country? Do you believe that? Jump in the comment section and let me know. This is Politics Watch. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Big up.